Hey guys, hey, this is Wesley Virgin here. Hey, check it out. In this video real quickly here, I'm going to teach you basically how websites on the internet make millions of dollars, okay? Now, the reason for this video is so many people, like in my course, I have a course by the name of Online Millionaire Mastery. And the number one thing that people don't do is they don't select a proper website for their company here. How many of you have a website for your company right now and you're making $0? Okay. Now, what if it was a way that I can't believe listen, what if it was a way to choose a website in a way that it will furtively or persuasively convince your customer to spend more money? Okay. Does that make sense? Choosing a website such as from GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.com. Many people have websites, and unfortunately, the average person doesn't know how to choose a website to make millions of dollars. So listen, my own story 7 years ago, or maybe 8 years ago, not sure. Based off the website, listen, that I selected, allowed me to make 10 times more money. And I'm going to explain it to you right here in this video for free, which means is you don't have to buy my course. It's below, but you don't need to buy the course at all. All you need to do is listen to the steps that I'm going to give you right now to basically take your laptop and buy what is called a domain, a website that's going to allow you to make more money. I do this over and over again. I've generated for about actually now $40 million right now online. And I have to give the credit to the website selection as well. I mean, it's other things, other ingredients that is necessary to make money online. But listen, choosing the right website would change your business and change your life as well. Could allow you to make a bunch of money. Now, before I get started here, hey, look, you guys like my sound? Okay, all right, let me get into it. Step number one, let's get right into it. Step number one, okay. When you get ready to buy a website, it doesn't matter where you buy it from. It could be GoDaddy.com, Bluehost, Network Solutions. It doesn't matter where you buy it from, okay? That's step number one. It doesn't matter. Now, step number two is, and this is the kicker, many of you, and I want you to comment your website below, and I'll review your website for you for free right here on this channel, in this video here. All you need to do is sub to the channel and smash the like button here. Many people, no offense, your websites are absolutely insane, okay? Because many people, what they do is when they choose a company name, they want to choose something that sounds good to them. That's you, big head, right? You want to choose a website that sounds good to you, that feels good to you. Like, oh yeah, I like this website, it feels good. But your problem is this. Now, listen, some people it works for, but if you want to make maximum money from the website that you select, listen, it is not about you when you choose a website or a domain to sell products or services online. Are you with me? Smash the like button. Just got to make sure I have your attention here. Let me say that one more time. You don't matter in this process, okay? It doesn't matter if it feels good to you. It doesn't matter if it sounds good to you. The only person that it matters to is your customer. I see so many websites in many of my courses, my programs, my YouTube channels, when I review websites. As a matter of fact, if you comment your website below, smash the like button, I'll do a review for you on your website. And listen, I see people over and over again, they create websites and domains that don't make any sense. What do I mean? Let me give you a story. This is my personal story. I'll never forget this. This is the time when I made my first $1 million, okay? Now, before I made my first million, my first website that I ever bought on GoDaddy, right? From this, not this laptop, but from a laptop, it was 7dayfitness.com. Listen, that was the most dumbest website I ever purchased online, okay? Now listen, just like most of you, I was passionate about it. I was like, no, this is an amazing website. People are going to go to my website. They're going to do workouts. they're going to spend 7 days, 7 minutes a day, 7dayfitness.com. Now listen, and I spent 7 years, true story here. I spent 7 years trying to make that website work. How many of you have been spending 2 to 3 to 5, 6 years in some business and you have not made the money that is allowing you to retire you from your job? Be honest, okay? You, smash the like button. All right, listen, I got the best advice ever. I'll never forget this. I went to San Diego and I was so excited about my success. Like most people, you know, we always, not my success. I was excited about the success to come. And, you know, I was passionate. I was like, yes, you know, I got 7dayfitness.com. I even got a shirt. The shirt says 7dayfitness.com. You can look through my YouTube channel. You can see these videos of me wearing that shirt. And I went to an event and people would ask me and say, hey, Wesley, what you got going on? I said, well, I'm the owner of 7dayfitness.com. Oh, really? How's it doing? Well, you know, we're not making a lot of money right now, but I know it's going to work. Who does that sound like? You, right? So listen, I'm not throwing stones at you or rocks at you here, but that young man gave me the best advice ever. Let me tell you what he told me. He said, Wesley, I know you're passionate about 7dayfitness.com. Obviously, you work out. I see those arms, those muscles, right? I got you. But have you ever thought that maybe your customer doesn't want to work out 7 days a week? Now listen, with all my intelligence, with all my astuteness, right? My business mind, I said, no! Yeah, yes, they do want to work out. They do. What do you mean? It's only 7 minutes a day. Like, who can't do 7 minutes a day? Listen, for 3 more years, true story here, I spent trying to make that business work until I realized I should have took that advice. That it doesn't matter if it makes sense to you. Okay? It doesn't matter. Whatever your website is. Now, comment your website below. I want to tear into your ass, honestly. Listen, it doesn't matter what you think works. It took me 7 years of failure, 7 years of losing my car, losing my home, losing money here to understand that. Comment these words below. It's all about the customer. That's it. Whenever you start an online business and you get ready to select a website, the only thing that matters is this. Write this down. Is my website, my URL, communicating to my customer exactly what I'm going to do for him or her? Okay? So, after crying my eyes out because of the failure of 7dayfitness.com, I created a brand new site which is called fatdiminisher.com. Let me ask you a question here. How many of you, based off the wording of the website, understand fatdiminisher.com? What does that tell you about the product before you even click the link? Tell me right now. Right? Well, it's about diminishing fat from your body, which means is the website itself, the URL, okay, the domain, is able to stand alone without the person ever clicking the website, which means is your website has to be your marketing. I've seen people, they spend so much money on marketing. I mean, we do now as well, but Fat Diminisher, I didn't spend one dime on the marketing the first year. The first year, I earned about $20 million. I didn't spend one dime on marketing. Okay? I didn't spend one dime. Why? Because the website itself communicated to my customers exactly what I was going to deliver to them. Okay? So I got more clicks. I got more website clicks. Okay? More people engaged with my content because the domain matched exactly the expectations of the person here. Now listen up. How does that apply to you? Okay? Look, I want you to do a couple of things for me. Sub to the channel because I do a video every day on the YouTube channel here. Okay? 2, I want you to comment your website below. And I want to look at it. Okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to comment on your website below here under this video. And I'm going to tell you if your URL sucks or if it's a winner. Does that make sense? I'm going to comment under your website. And this is an attempt to help you. I'm not trying to berate you. I'm not throwing rocks at you. Listen, I've been there. But I don't want you to spend 5 to 7 years with a website that would never work. Maybe your marketing is good, but you're not getting the amount of clicks to the website because your website URL sucks. Listen, if I'm going to create a company, okay, online, listen here, and I want to teach people how to make money or how to build their credit. Say if I'm one of these people and I want to build my credit, okay? And you say, I'm looking for someone to build credit, okay? What should the website name be? I'm talking to you. Think about it for a second. If I'm trying to build my credit and I'm looking online, hey, I want to build my credit, high credit score, whatever, right? What website should I buy from GoDaddy? Let me give you an example. Get a high credit score now. Higher score in minutes.com. Does that make sense? Because the website is communicating to my future or my potential customer exactly what I want. You don't want to they type in, well, how to raise my credit score. And your website is wefixcredit.com. Listen, I don't want you to fix my credit. People want a higher score. Does that make sense? Even though in people's mind they say, oh, I want to fix my credit. It's like this. Like, people don't want to work out. They want six-pack abs, right? They want big muscles, or they want to be shredded, right? So the thing is, your website URL needs to be aligned with the goal or the outcome of your user, okay? Sorry, the lights are changing here. You guys see me? Oh, okay, I like that. Does that make sense? Your website must communicate within minutes, if not seconds, exactly what you're going to do for the customer. Listen, I got over 20 websites, actually more, and they make millions of dollars because I keep it simple. Write this down below before I let you go. Keep it simple, stupid when you create websites here. Because why? Because people are very elementary. Okay. You think they're advanced. They're not advanced people. As a matter of fact, I'm not advanced, but I'm rich. Okay. Like, I'm not advanced at all. Okay. I didn't go to college here, but I'm rich. Why? Because I keep it simple, stupid for myself and for the other people that I sell my products to. So before I let you go, like I said before, everything is in my course in the description below, but you don't have to buy this. I've had hundreds of thousands of people who are selecting websites, and we help you to select the right website that aligns with your business. Your website, your URL must communicate to your customer or your potential customer exactly what they're going to get. You'll get more clicks, and that's just how the brain works. If I search how to make money online, well, the site that I'm looking for is makemoneyonline.com. How to lose 10 pounds. What should that URL be? Lose10pounds.com, right? How to be, let me see. Let me think of another niche here. How to find the lover of my dreams. Find the lover of my dreams.com. Does that make sense? And I know some of you thinking, well, that's too long. It doesn't matter with people. Because when they're reading words, they're reading the website the same way. Their expectation has to match their desire. So when they do a Google search, they want to see the exact same words that they see as they're typing it in the Google search. Does that make sense? Hey, if you got any value here, go ahead and smash the like button. Like I said, in the course below, Online Millionaire Master, I teach anybody. Okay. You could be a frog. Doesn't matter. Boy, girl, teenager, adult. I can teach anybody who's willing to listen to make money online. If you listen, if you're open, if you're teachable and coachable, we can do it all day. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go. You was waiting for that, right? Hey, smash the like button. Gotta go.